Apple just launched its newest software, iOS 17, and here's some amazing tricks it can do. I'm the CyberGuy. You can follow me at cyberguy.com for all my tech updates, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter. Apple's changed the way others see you when you call them. It is called the contact poster, and it allows you to personalize how you're seen. Let's start with how to create a contact poster for yourself that you can share with your contacts. In the Contacts app on your phone, tap on your card at the top of the screen. You'll see My Card under your name. Tap Contact Photo and Poster. Then click Edit, then click the plus sign. Here you've got some choices to represent you, such as taking a photo from your camera, a great selfie from your photos you've already taken, a memoji, or a basic monogram. You can personalize the font and color by tapping on your name at the top of the screen and adjusting it to your liking. Click Done in the upper right of the screen to see the preview. Then you have the option to add it as your contact photo by clicking Continue, then Continue again. This is quite literally the new calling card, and you're in complete control of your own contact poster. For more quick tips, head to cyberguy.com where you can sign up for my free newsletter.